Welcome to Nature Nutrition Care Platform. I am Alex, the nutrition specialist, here to guide you to stay healthy. Today, understand what hydrogenated oils are, health risks, food sources, and how to limit the intake. Listen actively. What are hydrogenated oils? Oils that have been chemically treated to become solid or semi-solid, often used in margarine, baked goods, snacks, and fried foods. Health risks. Trans fats from partial hydrogenation raise LDL, bad cholesterol, lower HDL, good cholesterol, increase heart disease and stroke risk, and may worsen insulin resistance and inflammation. Long-term intake is linked to higher risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular problems. Common sources: margarine, shortenings, many baked goods, fried fast foods, crackers, cookies, pastries, and some shelf-stable snacks. Look for labels that say trans fat or partially hydrogenated oil. What to choose instead? Use non-hydrogenated vegetable oils like olive, canola, or sunflower. Choose foods with little or no trans fats and read nutrition labels to avoid partially hydrogenated oils. Quick tip: limit processed foods and favor whole, homemade meals to reduce trans fat intake. Stay informed, stay healthy, nourish to flourish. Follow Nature Nutrition Care Platform, subscribe, like, and share.